Let's get started. First, open your terminal, then install the latest updates. Once that's done, install the following two packages, PHP and CURL. I assume you know what PHP is? Let's install phpMyAdmin snapshot version, which is the version under development. To install it, go to phpMyAdmin.net/download. When you're there, scroll down to phpMyAdmin 6.0 plus snapshot. In the list of files, copy the link of the first .zip file. Go back to your terminal and enter the following command, curl-o, capital O, and then paste the link. It will download the zip file. Next, we need to extract the file. I'm using the unzip tool. We'll get a directory. Rename this directory to phpMyAdmin. Then, move it to /share/. After that, I navigate to the new location of phpMyAdmin. Once there, we need to create a configuration file from the sample. Use this command. Once that's done, there's a small change to make in this file. It won't take long. Edit this file. I'm using Vim. Alternatively, you can use Nano. Go to line 30. Change localhost to 127.0.0.1. Then save and exit by typing the command :wq, and that's all you need to do. It's time to start the phpMyAdmin server. Type php-s localhost :8080. Open your favorite browser, go to the following URL. Great! We've successfully gotten rid of the deprecated errors. But as you can see, a new error has appeared. This error is because PHP 8.4.2 no longer includes the sodium extension by default. To fix it, we need to install the following two packages. First, libsodium module, which allows Termux to handle sodium. Then php-sodium, an extension for PHP. Once that's done, stop and restart the phpMyAdmin server. Go back to your browser and refresh the page. It's working again. And that's how we solved this problem in less than 5 minutes. But when I tried to log in, I got this error. Connection refused. To fix it, it's simple. You just need to install and configure the MySQL or MariaDB database. For simplicity, I skipped this part. If you want to know how to install and configure MySQL, there's a video on this channel that explains everything in detail. The link is in the description. If everything's good for you, let's continue. Type MariaDB and this command starts the MySQL server. Now, go back to the browser and try to connect again. We've succeeded. Is it working well for you? Let me know in the comments. I hope I've helped you. See you in another video for more tips.